pleasantly surprised by the aesthetics of this portable wireless speaker. It is a Bluetooth speaker, which I saw in another review. Someone said it is not, but I think they just didn't figure out that you hit this middle button right there to connect the Bluetooth. It does have a user manual. The print inside of it is kind of small, so if you're like me, getting a little bit older, you may need to use the magnifier on your cell phone or something. Get out your reading glasses to read that, but it's pretty easy to work and understand. It has a little leather strap on it. Of course, got the black option, but there are other options available. It has a rivet holding it in place. On the underside, it has 4 rubber legs to lift it up, give it that more authentic look, and also help with absorbing the sound and the vibration. One of the things that I really like is this dial here, and I'm going to show you how to use it and what it sounds like. As you can see, it is an HM11 portable wireless speaker. So that's what we're going to look for when we hook up the Bluetooth. And it does come with your charging cord. It's a USB cord. And then it also has auxiliary cords. And on the back side, it has a place for an SD card as well. And this is part of the bass speaker, doing a little thumping there. Anyway, very cute, very retro. As you can see, it's very small.
Bluetooth mode.
You're going to want to go to your Bluetooth settings and select the HM11. I'm using an iPhone, so it may look a little bit different on a different device. Once you click on that, you should see that it says connected. And then I'm just going to pull up some music and adjust the volume. As you can tell, this is a lovely sound. It fills the space quite well, and I'm very happy with the sound quality of it, especially for the size, and I think that you would be too.